details.
Beaumont is a beautiful town, romantically nestled in the rolling countryside. It is full of history, with charming French-inspired houses, procession chapels, and the stunning Église Saint-Étienne, built in 1733. This church is particularly special because it's where Wolfe posted his proclamation of the fall of New France in 1759. Located about 10 kilometers east of Lévis, right next to the majestic St. Lawrence River, Beaumont is a part of the Bellechasse Regional County Municipality in the Chaudière-Appalaches region. The open fields stretch all the way to the St. Lawrence River, offering stunning views for everyone to enjoy. Beaumont is a place where time seems to stand still, reflecting the way of life that prevailed on the Côte de Bellechasse until the 19th century. The town's religious, residential, and agricultural heritage is well preserved and abundant. The history of Beaumont dates back to 1672, when the intendant Jean Talon granted the lordship of Beaumont to Charles Couillard and François Bissot. Agriculture was the main activity back then, and the population grew slowly over the years. Today, Beaumont balances the charm of its historical roots with the growth brought by its proximity to the city. Visitors love the tranquility, and artists find endless inspiration in our picturesque surroundings. Old Beaumont retains its unique character, making it a delightful place to explore.